And here's just a regular metal lip.
Bottle cap to the stuff. Anyways, back to what we're doing.
Let your inhibitions go, time to advance. This is what I came to do.
No. Nice guy. Special. Holes in it. No ventilation, but the standard chicken pot. Topper and bowl here. Anywho, get out here. I'm going to get messy. Today we're going to get our hands messy. Oh boy. Out of there, it's still kind of pasty. We have cooked it because we figure this deep frying's going to do it in for the rest of the show. So, trying to get much of it off there we can, make a mess. It's great. Can't have Halloween without a mess, man. You know, we're always going through them pumpkin guts and stuff. There we go. That trash. A lot. You should end up with a goop in the bowl. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. Yes.
No?
Alright, so we got it. What we're going to do here is we got some seasoning that you saw in the thumbnail. We're going to add that in a little bit. Start off with brand don't matter, but the garlic salt. And just a little dash of do just a little bit of taste. Side, and I'm going to add in some crushed red pepper. Good stuff. From there. Add just a little of that. I'm going to add in some onion powder. Put there about brand yams. And go a little heavy with that sometimes. It's good stuff. Then we add some chili powder here. Don't matter, like I said, with all this, it don't matter about brands, and we are not sponsored in any way. That's probably more naturally needed, but we'll go with it.
Ooh, that smells good.
We're some mushroom flakes. The brand, let's see, or brand don't matter, but there we go. Porcini mushroom flakes, and a grinder here. Pop the top off.
They're pretty good.
Pop the top off here. Take a little bit. You can crush up pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get them in there. Let's see that. Yeah, that's all that mushroom. Mushrooms are good. It's all that good. Get back on that. That's alright. Now. We add some banana peppers.
Hot banana peppers. Rings.
Yep, hot banana pepper rings. Hot ones in there. I'll give me a blue fork. Thank you. Go full, please.
Damn it.
Get you in the jar. As you can all see, it's sorry, they're all linked on opposites still down. Take a couple of these out. So I think I'm gonna take these away off. Turn them up a little bit. Hopefully you washed your hands before you did your work. You'll be alright with this part. If not, pause, wash hands, and continue on. Probably should have done that before you already touched your chicken.
Yeah.
But anywho. Add a little bit of that. Yeah, I think we'll go with that.
Yeah.
Don't want too much. These things are powder.
Right.
Alright, now the sauce orientation, it don't matter. It's gonna be whatever. So the offside is some cheese, pepper right there. It's gonna be messy here, so just deal with it, people. Anyways, the hot sauces don't matter what orientation we go in. It's just gonna be whatever. So we're gonna start off with a good old sriracha. me personal. It's the actual stuff, but not sponsored or anything. Got add some of that in there.
Yeah, this was just an idea of ours that just.
We're adding this in just you'll see at the end.
Yeah.
But anyways, I'm back on to what we're doing here. We're gonna add in some ghost pepper.
Not sponsored.
Can't get it in there. Brand don't matter, but it's ghost pepper hot sauce. What fizz to that? We'll go ahead and add some nice drippy drops. That now. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in this other ghost pepper we have. You guys have seen on the channel many times. I love this stuff. It's the last what's in there. So, oh God. We're gonna die tonight.
Yep.
Has just become
Death.
boiling hell. You think? Are you gonna stop there? No. We're gonna go ahead and add some mashed potato flakes, soak up some of this extra mess. So we hope this works. We don't know. I haven't tried, but there we go. Look at that. Problem solved. Like no, nothing in there.
Okay.
Nope. All right. Now we're gonna add in some whiskey habanero hot sauce.
Few drops of that because that'll overpower it.
Ooh. That'll be alright. We'll we're in. We're adding some of the double deuce hot sauce. It's habanero hot pepper hot sauce. Yeah. So there's double habanero, and you know how I am with habanero, so the bad butthole. So nice few drops of that in there. Kind of starting to regret what I'm doing, and my stomach is like, no, but we can't wuss out now. So now we're adding some smoked chipotle, but brand don't matter, but it's personal favorite. So I wish they'd sponsor me because I love this stuff. Just a little bit Medulla, but we're gonna go a little wild on this stuff because it overtakes any other taste.
They're really good.
But anyways, now we're gonna add some it's green pepper sauce, but it's actually jalapeno. Let me get jalapeno. And I'm just gonna add some of that in there. Good stuff in there. A little bit of that, 'cause that will, if you guys know from my previous channel, pepper channels, this one is the one that kicked my butt. So we're gonna go ahead and add a new contender to the drink, and it's a chocolate chipotle. It's gonna be something different here. It's got a bit of a different taste to it, so I'm gonna try and get. Oh, good Lord! There.
God.
Next on the list is some habanero sauce. Again, more habaneros, but you know, I can't finish the name, but I wish they would. You know.
He loves that hot sauce.
We're gonna add some of that in there. Probably a little more necessary. We'll live. We add some of this. Let's see. Chili habanero sauce is what's next on the list. Extra hot sauce. So, first, I love the taste of this one. If it gets a little more in there than what's needed, I'll be all right. We got a lot of ghost pepper in there right now. Kind of getting a little scary. And look at that sausage run over into the screen. This is a good one here. That's my personal favorite. The green wasabi hot sauce. Sorry you can't really see it. My lighting's horrible, but they work with it. But this we're adding in there. It personally tastes like what a Chinese restaurant smells like.
It legitimately tastes like that. No joke, no lie. And here's just a regular metal lip.
Bottle cap to the stuff dip. Anyways, back to what we're doing. Oh, there it goes again. Well, we're adding in some of this Texas peach hot sauce. Not sponsored, but that's what it is. So. Alright, guys. Look at this nasty bowl of death that we are serving up tonight.
Probably needs more taters.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, well.
No more can hurt, right? There we go. Now let's see. Now the goal now is we got a mess here. We're gonna try and make this into a patty. Nope, I'm going in hands deep. So I'll go ahead and take off the old ring-a-doo here. All right, here we go. Oh. She got stuck for a minute. There we go. Stick in my hands. It's just for the pie and some potatoes. Woohoo! Now let's go to the next step. We got a nice egg yolk and white wash. Don't know how it's gonna work out. We're gonna do it. We got no cornstarch, so this could go horribly wrong. But anyways, we're gonna give her a bath in that after I cook this table in some nice flour. Come on, open up. I like the contents. Now, I'm gonna take it. Bath. Nice and slippery. Really grip up on that. Grip, grip, grip. Go. Now we just gotta go. Oh, we lost one. It looks pretty, that looks pretty hot. I need to wash my hands. At this time point, we're going to take the lid off very carefully. Pry the camera, it's up here. But now we're going to put the patty in here. This is very hot oil, heated up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So, here we go. Grab her. So, lift this up all the way out. Drop her in. And hope for the best. Enjoy the show. Right, guys. Here she is. This is bigger one now. No, this isn't a bite mark. It did have a screwed up spot. But she is still over there. So, now, let's enjoy. Woo!